Chris with Baldy. Hey.
Yo.
Oh, is this water here?
White one,
She already given us water. Yeah. Wine.
no, red or white.
Oh, wait. Thank you. Meanwhile, we're watching What Men Want.
They're bad influence on me.
Mo watching it too.
Waiting on my dad.
Listen, food was bomb. We in economy acting like we in first class.
Look, chocolate mousse.
I can't do it too. Look.
You gotta take a picture of that.
Okay, thank you. Girl, let me see what you got, Chad. Ooh. Emma showing out. The little girl. Child. The folks say they running out of Hennessy, so these might be my only two that I'm gonna get. And after that,
Sweet time.
after that we want to sleep.
I can like tell me.
Alright, so I'm gonna give y'all a little tour of the room. This is when you walk in. We are staying at the Hyatt in Dubai. I'm not sure where exactly we're located. I believe we're like close to the airport, but this room is really nice. As you can see, there's like a lounge area. It's 2 twin beds, thank God, because I love just having room to switch over and do what I want to do without bothering somebody else. And then I think this is a fridge. Yep. And then the best part is, bum, 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 bum. We got the pool view, which is dope. Y'all, I am literally so exhausted. There's so much that's been going on. Haven't had a shower yet since we left the airport. I've had to call Wells Fargo like 4 times because my card wasn't working. So you can only imagine my frustration when you got plenty of money in the bank, but yet your card isn't working and you're out of town. Not even out of town, but you're out of the country. So yeah, those were my frustrations earlier. I'm hoping that this food that I got and the shower that I'm about to get is going to calm me down. And yeah, I think we're about to get ready to go to the desert safari. So yeah, I will definitely be back to check in with you all.